Indira Gandhi National Open University presents a program by School of Performing and Visual Arts titled Sollu and Tala Part-4. The expert for the program is Dr. P. Radhika, faculty from School of Performing and Visual Arts, IGNOU. Let us listen to the program.
The topic of this discussion is Sollu and Tala. Let us proceed on to the Tirmana Adavu, which is Taddhinginnathom Takka Taddhinginnathom Takka Dhikku Taddhinginnathom. So when we learn this Tirmana Adavu, we couple it with Tahatajam Tarita and make it a longer Tirmanam. So how do you find out which Talam fits into Tahatajam Tarita? First, let us look at the Chollu of Tahatajam Tarita. Ta Hatta Jam Ta Ri Ta. There is a gap after Ta. So let's do it again. Ta Hatta Jam Ta Ri Ta. Jam Ta Ri Jaga Ta Ri Tei. So that is how, when you look at the number of counts, it has come to 12. So let's repeat it once again. Ta Hatta Jam Ta Ri Ta. There's a gap again. Jam Ta Ri Jaga Ta Ri Tei. There's a gap again. And then it is followed by Taddhinginnathom. It is Taddhinginnathom. Taddhinginnathom. And then the next is with 2 counts, Takka Taddhing. So the Taddhinginnathom is retained. There's a beat in before that. This Takka Taddhinginnathom. And the third repetition is Takka Dhikku Taddhinginnathom. So the first goes Taddhinginnathom, very simple version. And the second is Takka Taddhinginnathom, 1, 1, 2, 3. And the third is Takka Dhikku Taddhinginnathom. I hope the Chollu is very clear. Let me repeat this once again from the beginning. Ta Hatta Jam Ta Ri Ta. Jam Ta Ri Jaga Ta Ri Tei. Taddhinginnathom. Takka Taddhinginnathom. Takka Dhikku Taddhinginnathom. So this is the Chollu of this entire set of adavus. If you remember, we have already understood this concept of Tirmanam, wherein phrase of a set of 3 adavus. An adavu, a phrase is repeated thrice. So that is how a larger phrase called Tirmanam comes in. So we have this Tirmanam here of which adavu? Taddhinginnathom. So Taddhinginnathom, Takka Taddhinginnathom, Takka Dhikku Taddhinginnathom. That is the Tirmanam. So that is usually how the Korvai ends. Korvai is a string of adavus, a string of phrases of a number of adavus brought together in a particular tala with a number of particular set of avartanams of that talam. So herein we go again. So when you look at, also see how many counts this Tahatajam Tarita comes into. Let's repeat this again. Ta Hatta Jam Ta Ri Ta. So that makes it a count of 6. So that is count of 6 along with the gap. Okay, do it again. Ta Hatta Jam Ta Ri Ta. Gap. Jam Ta Ri Jaga Ta Ri Tei. Gap. Taddhinginnathom. So that makes it 3 counts. Taddhinginnathom. Okay, so that is Taddhinginnathom. That the pace is different. Ta Hatta Jam Ta Ri. So herein we have Ta. Hatta is 1 beat. Jam Ta Ri is another beat. So Ta and Jam are 1 syllables, and then Ta Ri is 2 syllables coupled together. So there is a difference in the Chollu also, how it is rendered. It doesn't always necessarily have 1 syllable at all times for 1 beat. So it is Ta, Hatta. It is not Ta, Ha, Ta, but ta, hata, jam, tari. So that makes it beautiful. Jam, tari, ta. Again is a single syllable. So here, and then we go on to the tirmanam that goes tadhing. Again, it is tadhing. Ginna tom. Takka tadhing ginna tom. So it is 3 and then followed by 4. Takka dhikku tadhing ginna tom. So that makes it 5. So 5, 4, 9, 9 plus 3, that makes it 12. You had an initial of 12 in the Tahata Jamtarita, 12 and 12. So that can easily fit in which talam? It's in multiples of 6, right? 3. So that can easily fit into the Rupaka talam. Fine. So that is how you understand and how to locate in which talam for which cholla. So this adavu fits into the Rupaka talam. Rupaka talam has what angas? It has one wave. So that means one dhrutam followed by laghu. Okay, the laghu can consist of 4 counts. So that means one dhrutam. That is 1 and 2. A beat and a wave. That is dhrutam. A beat and a wave. So that means 2 counts. Followed by one laghu. That means one laghu consists of a beat followed by count of fingers. Here you have 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. The same way we did Aditalam with 4. The laghu was 4 there also. Here and also Rupakam also we have the 4 counts. That means so beat followed by counting of 3 fingers. That makes it a total of 4. So in Rupakatalam the structure is with dhrutam followed by a laghu. In Aditalam it was a laghu followed by 2 dhrutam. Okay, so let us render it in Rupakatalam. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, hatta, jam, tari, ta. Jam, tari, jagga, tari, tei. Tat, dhingina, tom. Takka, tat, dhingina, tom. Takka, dhikku, tat, dhingina, tom. So that has completed this Rupakatalam in a perfect way. So let's do it once again. Rupakatalam is again, I am telling you, it is a dhrutam, which is a beat with a wave followed by count of 4, count of fingers. A beat followed by count of fingers. That is a laghu. So here let us render this again. Ta. So when we start a talam with Rupakatalam, when it is with Aditalam, it is dhalang, kutakati, kutakata dingento. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In Rupakam it is dhal, dhalang, katom, tat, ding, ding, natom. Okay? Come again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ha, ta, jam, tari, ta. Jam, tari, jagga, tari, tei. Ta, dhingi, na, tom. Takka, tat, dhingi, na, tom. Takka, dhikku, tat, dhingi, na, tom. Second speed. Ta, hatta, jam, tari, ta. Jam, tari, jagga, tari, tei. Tadhinginna tom. Takka tadhinginna tom. Takka dhikku tadhinginna tom. So that is how the second speed goes. Ta, hatta, jam, tari. So all that comes in. Ta, hatta is in one beat. Jam, tari is in the other beat. Okay. Let's see this. Observe it once again. Ta, hatta, jam, tari, ta. Jam, tari, jagga, tari, tei. So that's how it goes. And let's do the Tirmanam part once again. 1, 2, 3, start. Tat dhinginna tom. Takka tat dhinginna tom. Takka dhikku tat dhinginna tom. Tat dhinginna tom. Takka tat dhinginna tom. Takka dhikku tat dhinginna tom. So that is how the Tahata Jamtarita along with the Tirmanam is performed. So, and the third speed is again the doubling of the second speed. It goes ta hata jam tari ta. Ta hata jam tari. All this in the first speed it is ta, the second speed it is ta hata for every beat, and the third speed, if you observe closely, it is ta hata jam tari. Ta hata jam tari. The entire syllable, entire chollu of ta hata jam tari are together in one beat. So there it goes ta hata jam tari ta. Jam tari jagatari te. Tadingina tom taka tadingina tom taka dhiku tadingina tom ta hata jam tari ta. Jam tari jagatari te. Tadingina tom taka tadingina tom taka dhiku tadingina tom. So that's how the ta hata jam tari ta is done on talam. So that is the chollu of the ta hata jam tari ta and how it is rendered in Rupaka talam, and we also understood how to understand, how to find out what talam each chollu fits into. Right? So let us proceed on to the first item of the repertoire, which is the Alaripu. Alaripu, you may be knowing that it is in Tishra Ekatalam. Tishra Ekatalam has just one count, and that one count is Laghu. So Laghu means a beat with count of fingers. So herein we have Tishra Ekam. Tishra means the number of count is 3. So 1, 2, 3. That is the talam itself. 1, 2, 3 is the talam. So that means one laghu will have a beat and one little finger is counted and the ring finger is counted. So that means a beat with 2 count of fingers. So in total it is 3. The 3 is the total count of the talam, and that keeps on repeating. So it is Tishra Ekatalam with 1 laghu and 3 is the count of the laghu. Fine. So Tishra Ekatalam, let me render the chollu of the Alaripu. So it goes tat tei teiyum ta tam kitatakata tei teiyum ta tam. So if you realize here, it goes in a particular pace. Tat tei teiyum 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is in a particular sense of this thing that when we do it, when we perform it, what we have in mind is the takka, takka, dhimme, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tat, tei, teiyum, ta, tam, kitataka, dhit, tei. So that is the phrase that keeps repeating. Takka, takka, dhimme, takka, takka. This is the basic rhythm that goes on. It is not takka, dhimmi, but takka, takka, dhimmi, takka, takka, dhimmi. Okay, so let's look at the chollu in detail first. The starting goes tat tei teiyum ta tam kitataka ta tei teiyum ta tam kitataka tam dhit tam kitataka tei ta tei kitataka tam dhit tam kitataka tei ta tei kitataka. So till now we have been doing the first speed. Okay, so herein it is tat tei teiyum tat tam kitataka tat tei teiyum tat tam. So this is the phrase that keeps repeating in the first speed. And you go on to the second speed, tam. So from tam, dhit tam, kitata, there is a change in between the first speed, the mid of the first speed. Tam, dhit tam, kitataka tei, ta tei, kitataka tam. So this phrase, tam, dhit tam, is what is repeated as the second speed. You look at the second speed, ta, tam, dhita tei, ta tei. Let us start from this phrase, tam, in the first speed. And so you will be able to clearly make it out. Tam, dhit tam, kitataka tei, ta tei, kitataka tam, dhit tam, kitataka tei, ta tei, kitataka tam, dhit tam tei, tat tei tam, dhit tam tei, tat tei tam, dhit tam tei, tat tei tam, Dhit tam te. Tatte. So this is tam. Dhit tam. That is the first beat. Second speed is tam. Dhit tam te. Tatte. The third speed will go tam. Dhita Tate tam dhita tate. Okay. So I hope you understand this kind of a speed differentiation in when you take up this cholla. Tam. Dhit tam. Kitataka ta te. Kitataka tam. Dhit tam te. Tatte tam. Dhit tam te. Tatte tam dhita tate tam dhita tate tam dhita tate tam dhita tate. Fine. So anytime you increase the speed of the cholla, the talam remains constant. So that is something you have to always look at, verify whether you're keeping the talam in the same pace. Fine, the talam shouldn't leave a gap in between, nor should it rush to go along with the cholla, nor should it lag. So that is something that you have to always self-verify. So let's do it once again from the very beginning. Ta, tei, teiyum, ta, tam. Kitataka ta. So constantly you can keep on doing the talam tishraikam. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It is the talam is not very difficult, but then the rendering of the cholla and the pace in which you keep up the pace of the talam, the speed of the talam is most important. So let us focus here on the cholla. Ta, tei, teiyum, ta, tam. Kitataka ta. Again, repeat again. Ta, tei, teiyum, ta, tam. Kitataka dhat, tei, teiyum, ta, tam. Kitataka tam. Dhit tam. Kitataka tei. Ta, tei. Kitataka tam. Dhit tam. Kitataka tei. Ta, tei. Kitataka tam. Dhit tam tei. Tatte takka takka dhimmi takka takka dhimmi tam. Dhit tam tei. Tatte tam. Dhit tam tei. Tatte tam dhita te. 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 Tate. So the Sollu remains the same. Tam dhita te. Tatte tam dhita te. Tate. Okay. So this is basically the structure of Talaripu, and now you have to take up the Tahata Jamtarita which we did initially. Tahata Jamtarita. So therein start the Tirmana. Tahata Jamtarita. Third speed of Tahata Jamtarita. Tahata Jamtarita. Jamtari Jagatarite. Tadingina tom. Taka tadingina tom. Takadhiku tadingina tom. Tam. So after the tadingina tom, taka tadingina tom, takadhiku tadingina tom. Okay, you give a gap. Tam. So the gap is of 1, 2, 3. Tam. And then start the next set of cholla. Dhrugurtaka, dhrugurtaka, dhrugurtaka. Dhrukututaka, dhrukututaka. In a faster way. Dhrugurtaka, dhrugurtaka. Okay, so this is rendered in the third speed. Dhrugurtaka, 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 dhrugurtaka. A total of 8 repetitions of dhrugurtaka comes in here. So let's do it. Dhrugurtaka, 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 dhrugurtaka. Tei, 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 dhididai. It is tei, 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 tei. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dhididai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dhididai. Okay. So dhrugurtaka, 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 tei, 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 dhididai. Then finishing it with ta, tei, teiyum, ta, tam. How you started it in the very beginning. The same first beat. Ta, tei, teiyum, ta, tam. Okay. I hope you have got an overview, a look of the whole Laripu. We have discussed how it is in 3 speeds. It starts in one cholla and then takes up a different cholla and renders it in 3 speeds, and then followed by the Tirmanam and the final Dhrugurtaka. So let's do the whole thing once again. Okay, this is in Tishra Ekam. 1, 2, 3. So it's a beat of 3 only. So if you remember, this Tahatajam Tarita that we did was also fitting in Rupakatalam. So Rupakatalam, the Rupakatalam has a count of 6. When you do the shorter version of Rupakatalam, which is in 3. So that is how this Adavu easily fits in the Tishra Ekatalam. Okay. So that is why it is called Tishra Alaripu. It is Tishra Alaripu. So let's do it once again. So let's start with this. It is Dhalang Tom Tadhingi Natom, because it's a count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Dhalang Tom Tadhingi Natom Ta Tei Teyum Ta Tam Kitataka Ta Tei Teyum Ta Tam Kitataka Tam Hit Tam Kitataka Tei Ta Tei Kitataka Tam Hit Tam Kitataka Tei Ta Tei Kitataka Tam Dittam Tei Tattei Tam Dittam Tei Tattei Tam Dittam Tei Tattei Tam Dittam Tei Tattei Tam Dhittate Tattei Tam Dhittate Tattei Tam Dhittate Tattei Tam Dhittate Tattei Tahata Jhamtarita Jhamtari Jakatarite Tadingina Tom Takatadingina Tom Takadikutadingina Tom Tam Drugurtaka 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 Dhalang Kutakata Dingina Tom Ta Tei Teyum Ta Tam. So that's how you do it. And also remember that Taka Taka Dhimmi Ta Tei Teyum Ta Tam. Taka Dhimmi Taka Dhimmi Taka Taka Dhimmi. The Chollu goes in Taka Taka Dhimmi, but the Talam is in Taka Dhimmi Taka Dhimmi. So that is how you go about understanding and rendering the Talam of Alaripu. Start with Ta Tei Teyum Ta Tam, and then Tam Dhittate Tate Tam Dhittate Tate. Then moves to the Tirmanam Tahatajam Tarita, then Drugurtaka Ta, and then stops with Tat Te Teyum Tat Ta. Only thing here is the gap between when you stop for 3 counts. Tam before the Drugurtaka. I hope you understood the structure of all the Chollus and how it enables you to also identify the Talam of each of the Chollu that we render for in a Adavu. And we have covered most of the advanced Adavus in Natadavus, and then we finished with the Alaripu also. And I do hope that it has been a useful session for you. Thank you.
You were listening to the program titled Sollu and Tala Part 4. The expert for the program was Dr. P. Radhika, faculty from School of Performing and Visual Arts, IGNOU. The program was technically supported by P.R. Semil, edited by Tarannum Jahan, and produced by Reena Boro. This program was brought to you by the Electronic Media Production Center of Indira Gandhi National Open University.